So what are you thinking of the trail so far, Alex?
There's a lot of sand and rocks, trees. Yeah, it's good. It's a good trail. It's a really nice park, good breeze, lots of shade, and then a really crappy, twisty, turny part. And then it's okay.
So, that was a great run. Where are we at? Wakefield.
A lot more difficult than I thought it'd be. A lot of twists and turns. All took us to a mud stream that didn't
Go anywhere. That's okay. I gotta go at least wrong once.
Yeah.
So this is Alex and Paul signing off. Hopefully we'll see you guys in Great Falls real soon.